Hi, Amber. Thank you for sharing your piece with me this week. I really enjoyed how you started with a bunch of questions, having us think of maybe a personal experience that we've had with students to get us in the right mindset. I thought that was a really engaging way to start this letter. I also wanted to point out that I totally understand the struggle that you're talking about when you say they struggle to stretch it out and add more detail, and sometimes the writing would end very abruptly. I definitely have the same struggles with my second graders when I'm trying to have them write something for me. They seem to talk a lot about it and they have a lot of ideas, but they don't exactly know how to translate that to paper. So I completely understand. You said in your agenda that you wanted to know if you were able to persuade them to consider looking into changing their writing practices. I think that this is a letter that would catch a lot of teachers' attention. And I love how you put your personal experience into it. It makes it feel really personal and like you are genuinely just here to help and guide and give advice. And I think that teachers would be excited to read this and they would consider it after hearing all of your reasonings. So I think you did well achieving your agenda. So good job.